Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to trade on Bybit using crypto exchange. First thing first, on the left side on the Bybit dashboard on the trading page, hover over the drop down next to the default trading pair. You'll see all supported spot trading pairs with last traded price and 24% change. Use the search bar to quickly find your desired pair, and if you see a 10 label, that means the pair supports spot margin trading, which is high risk and high reward. Now, Bybit offers different order types, limit, market, or conditional. Here's how to place a simple market order. Make sure you're in the spot tab and choose whether you want to buy or sell the asset. Enter order value of buy-in, enter order quantity if sell-in, and you can toggle between order by value and order by quantity depending on preferences. Just a tip, if you're 100% of your balance, Bybit may slightly adjust the final number to account for price fluctuations and ensure smooth execution. Now review your order details carefully in the confirmation window. Click buy or sell and your trade will be executed immediately at the market price. Congratulations, you've just completed a trade on Bybit. You can now view your assets in the spot wallet or continue trading with different order types for more control. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.